So far at my apartment, I've measured 2 inches of snow. It's been snowing nonstop since about noon. This morning, there was literally no snow on the ground, but now it's on the roads and traffic is backed up. And I'm pretty sure it's much worse on the freeways, especially Interstate 5 and 205, as well as 84. So we're gonna go walk to the grocery store. Usually it'd be a 5-minute drive, but the roads are not good right now. The road is pretty much ice. So it's very slippery. Got my groceries. Rest in peace to these plants right here. In the end, I measured at least 7 inches of snow at my apartment, while other parts of Portland got way more snow than I did. The National Weather Service office here measured 10.8 inches, which is actually the second highest 24-hour snow total recorded at their office. So this was definitely a historical snowfall event for Portland.